Tēnā koutou, kua whakarauika mai nei ki tēnei te puaha o te moana nui tonu o tōna ātawhaitanga. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna, haumia hui e, tai ki e. Whānau, welcome back, Karakia tua iwa, yeah, we're nearly there, one more to go. This one, bit of a call, bit of a shout out for a bit of calm. It's like settle down, keep calm in Karakia. Awesome whānau, as I say, been a tremendous journey. I've loved it every inch of the way with you all. Even the kayakos learnt a lot. I've learnt a lot, and I've got a lot more out of these Karakia than I thought that I knew before, and it's just consolidated what we thought we knew, and now we're adding to those layers. So welcome whānau. Quick look this afternoon or this evening, wherever you are, or this morning, wherever you are. I hope you're well, and your whānau and your friends, even your foe. I hope you're all well, whānau. And this is a call and a shout out for calm, eh? Kia hora te Marino. A call out for calmness. Yeah, it's like the end of this mahi, a culmination of all that mahi, and it's a little bit of a celebration perhaps, and also a call for, yeah, let's get ready for the new challenges ahead after this challenge. So that's it, whānau. We're going to cross over, have a look at some mahi Räkau, and then, yeah, I'll dream something else up, and we'll take it from there. So I'll see you over on the Papa Mahi Räkau. I can see you there. Hei konara. Kia ora whānau, welcome back to our lovely seaside resort here, Taku Taimoana, Kei Aoitepö. Now this is us wherever we are in the universe. I'm sure there's some water around you, but anyway, we're using the water for this effect. Whānau, before I carry on, just a word out there for the Papa Mahi Räkau and Te Ataarangi. I've talked about Te Ataarangi earlier on and throughout our journey. If you get an opportunity to pop along and try out an Ataarangi class with some whānau around the motu, there's pretty much, I know there's pretty much someone from the Ataarangi just about in every town around Aotearoa, and even over the moana in Te Pāpaka a Maui in Australia, and I wouldn't even mind betting there's some more further afield. But big shout out to our whānau Te Ataarangi, and to our whānau. If some of our whānau might be doing academic studies at the universities, and Te Wānanga o Aotearoa, Te Wānanga o Räkau, Te Wānanga o Awanuiarangi, all the different wānanga, and aroha mai if there's others that I don't know out there on the mata. But this is just another method of teaching and sharing te reo developed by our whole people back in the late 70s. So yeah, I think it was originally called the Räkau method, and now we call it Te Ataarangi. Ka pai, so don't forget to check that out if you get a chance. I'm going to pop across to this one. It's a little bit clearer. But I know when you come to the classes, our tikanga is whakarongo, titiro kōrero, and it's only in Te Reo Mäori, and that's the immersion, that's the notion of this immersion learning. But I'm going to do a little bit of both on here, and hopefully the Ataarangi don't ring me up and tell me off. But anyway, that's what we're going to do here for now, whānau. So here it is here. Here's that little white there. To me, I've just put that there, and that's the notion of this widespread calm we want. There it is. Kia hora te Marino. Let there be widespread calm. And these here, these waters here, these choppy waves here, sometimes it gets a bit choppy during our journey. And a couple of karakia back, we asked the wind to whakataka te hau. Now this is the same type of thing, but we're going to say whakapapa. So we want things to lay down flat. Kia hora te Marino, kia whakapapa pounamu. You probably can't see the colour there, but that's the green one, that's the pounamu. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Ka pai, and why these are stacked up like that, that's to also let you see the notion of whakapapa. Like your whakapapa from your tipuna, all the way down your genealogy, right down to you here on Papa Tuanuku, and that's your whakapapa. So this is us, kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. You want to join in with me from the top? Kia hora te marino. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kāre rea. Let's do it again in case that was a fluke. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Got all the advanced students out there, eh? I know you guys are killing it. Okay, there's 3 parts to this. There's the first part, here's the middle part, your journey in there, and here's the bright lights and yeah, all the fantastic fireworks ahead of us and the good times. This in here, we call this he huarahi. Huarahi. I talk about the huarahi being the path, and on that path, there are many hua, and there's beautiful things to be discovered out on our journey of life. Huarahi, and the enormity, the size of those gifts on your path. Many on your journey, many paths going off, many ara along the way, but here's your huarahi. Kapai, and this is this fella here, it might be me or you, and this is the path before you. Kia tere te karohirohi. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua I tō huarahi. Don't worry, let's do it again. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua I tō huarahi. Awesome. Come on, let's go from the top. Stop slacking. Here we go. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua I tō huarahi. Ka pai whānau. We're on the home straight. Wake up, wake up. Okay, see these parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're nearly home. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kia piki, te kaha, te wehi, te wana, me te māramatanga. Ano, kia piki, te kaha, te wehi, te wana, me te māramatanga. Keep going. Moake, moake, moake tonu rā. Tihei, mauri ora. Cut it out from the top. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua I tō huarahi. Kia piki te kaha, te wehi, te wana, me te māramatanga. Moake, moake, moake tonu rā. Tihei, mauri ora. I need a breakdown. Let there be widespread calm. May your waters be likened to that of a polished greenstone. May the light dance and shimmer on the path ahead of you. May there be much energy, excitement, awe, and exhilaration, and great joy and wonderment ahead. Forever, 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 and continually. Sneeze, 'tis the breath of life. Not going to sneeze at that, eh, whānau? Hey, tino pai, you fellas stop trying to drag it out. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cross over and we're going to wrap it up shortly. See you there. Ka whai whānau. Kia ora whānau, aroha mai. Hey, just to finish off, yeah, we've been sending this out to you. I don't know how they've been working for you, but I'm going to run through and use this one just to finish off. I've made it 1 minute long, and the idea is how we can get this to be interactive. So watch it 3 times is seem to be what we're doing. I'm just going to play it. It's going to follow from the top. Read the top first, English, and then we'll do the Māori at the bottom. So we're going to go along the top there, whānau. I won't touch the cursor. Here we go. Top line. Let there be widespread calm. May your waters be likened to a polished greenstone. May the light shimmer and dance upon the pathway ahead of you, returning in great strength, awe, excitement, and along with great joy and great wonderment for all your days ahead. Sneeze, 'tis the breath of life. Ka pai whānau, I've got to let it run. It's only a minute. If you can spare a minute, awesome. Stop it there if you want to learn the kupu and learn that way too, whānau. Cool, that's once through. This time down the bottom, when you're doing it on your own, do it. And the idea, if you're doing it above the music or above the sound, is so you can project your voice and do it above the sounds, okay? So, kia kaha tō reo, and whakahua ngā kupu, and get all the sounds in there. Awesome, whānau, let's go. Down the bottom, Te Reo Mäori, Te Reo Rangatira. Te Ataarangi, hui! On the bottom, kia hora te Marino, kia whakapapapaunamu te moana, kia tere te karohirohi, i mua i tō huarahi, kia piki te kaha, te wehi, te wana, me te māramatanga. Moake, moake, moake tonu rā, tihei! Mauri ora. Come on, you guys, stay with it, stay with it. We're on the last minute of our challenge for Karakia Tua Iwa. Thanks for hanging on in there. Bish. Ka pai whānau, last time through. This time, follow the numbers. And if you need to have a sneaky look, the kupu are there. But try and follow the picture, what we talked about in the Mahi Räkau. Come on, I know you guys love it. Let's go. Numbers only. Körero Māori. Hui. Woohoo! Kia hora te Marino. Kia whakapapapaunamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi, i mua i tō huarahi. Kia piki te kaha, te wehi, te wana. Me te māramatanga. Moake, moake, moake tonu rā. Tihei, mauri ora. Kia ora whānau, awesome, damn awesome. Thanks for all the feedback. Keep up the good work. Rock it out, rock out those karakia. Got some new stuff coming up. Looking forward to sharing with you. I've been so grateful for everything you've been giving back too. So give it a hundi. I'll see you out there soon. I'm going to try and wreck a song. I'll put it out there later in another day or so or hour or so. I'm just trying to learn it first. But it'll be relative to this karakia. Take care. Kia hora te Marino. See you out there soon. Mauri ora whānau. Oh, where's the button? Ha ha ha. Oh, keep calm. Keep calm. Oh, cut. Oh, please stop it. Oh, where's bloopers when you need it? Oh, get that up there. Drag it down. Yay!